my second task of prediction using unsupervised machine learning as an internship in data science and business analytics at Sparks Foundation. So the problem statement is that from the given IIS dataset, predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it visually. So first we import the libraries which are necessary. Then we load the dataset. Then these are the first 5 rows and these are the last 5 rows. Then we check if there is any null value. So no, there was not any null value. So we then describe the data. We can see the count, mean, minimum, percentage, maximum, all the data. Then I have visualized the data using the pair plot. So using this pair plot, we can directly compare any two columns without individually doing it separately. So you can see petal width versus petal length or petal length versus sepal length directly. So in this data we don't need ID and species column for predicting the cluster, so we drop that. So our new data looks like this. Now it's time to find optimum number of clusters using k-means clustering. So we have taken X as a data, we have taken all the rows and first 4 columns. Then we import k-means from the sklearn cluster. So we use blank WSS. So WSS means within cluster sum of squares. So in a circle, when there is a centroid and another point, we measure the distance by the measure is distance by taking a square. So then this is the k-means for cluster I. We have max iteration of 300, random state 0. Then we are appending the WSS to the list. So k-means initial returns the WSS value for an initialized cluster. Now we use the elbow method. So using this method we can see that after 3 the drop in WSS is minimum. So we choose 3 as the optimum number of clusters. So we now we need to initialize k-means with optimum number of clusters. So we have chosen 3. So we apply k-means to a dataset now. It's time to visualize the cluster. So the yellows are the centroids of the Setosa, vesicolor and virginica flowers, and we can see the each flower as clusters are formed clearly. So this was my task. Thank you.